How to log into your ESPN Plus account on new device. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is make sure that your ESPN account is logged out of your old device. Then you can simply open the application, and then from here, what you're going to do is make sure that you have all of the credentials of your account remembered, right? So after making sure that, you can simply, like I said, get into the application, and then in here we'll get into this page where you'll get to see the option of login. Simply tap on login, and then we'll get into the login page of our ESPN, right? And then you can simply add in the email address of your Disney account. Then you can simply tap on continue, and then from there you can actually add in the password of your Disney account. And then after doing that, you can simply tap on login, and just like this, you will actually be able to log into your ESPN Plus account on your new device. So like I said, there is no further complicated process that you need to do. All you need to do is get into your ESPN application, then simply tap on login, add in the credentials of your Disney account, and then like that you'll be able to log into your ESPN Plus account on your device. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.